Hello everyone, welcome to my channel One Design. Today we will learn how to create 2D and 3D scenes. So I have opened the PowerPoint presentation, it's a blank slide, and let's create the 2D and 3D scenes. First of all, I will insert a rectangle. I will add another rectangle of the shorter length. Here let's say shape fill is orange, and here we will take a gray color for the floor. We need to remove the outlines. Now we will add some characters. I already have some characters, and I will provide you the link of these characters, and I downloaded it from the site called Vector Easy. Let's see. We can go to center. This is here. Painting. Clock. See, our 2D scene is ready. Let's see it into the slideshow. Voila, it looks like an office and 2D scene. Let's create a 3D scene. I'm going to duplicate a slide. Let me remove the characters from here. Let's reduce the size. Let me start with 3 times. Okay, let's go to the 2 blocks, and I will create another rectangle to put it on the side. I will go to the format, shape fill, and change a color of it. Go to the more colors and let's make it a bit darker. Let's copy paste it onto the other side. Now I will show you a very interesting trick. You can remove grid lines now. You can click here on the rectangle, go to edit points. See, this is a black icon, a black dot. I will drag it down up to the bottom. See, and same here. I will go to edit points, and I can drag it up to here. I will take a couple of icons here. This is okay. What about the clock? I will just make it a bit here, so it looks like it's on the 3D wall. Nice. I will put the painting here, and now I will go to format, picture effects, 3D rotation, and choose this particular. See, and you can change the color